Me mamunia akwaba eba Melody Steve so. Say and there any 3 days. And na me year report a me say Ghana phobia asheda kwotena baby. Plane ntokwa ama Reverend Obofo ene Kennedy Japan. Na say nkrofobia hu say senior Kennedy Japan wode eye wo binim no. Wo monti ase say Kennedy Japan ejai asofo binom. Especially Reverend Obofo. Inti die wo mo aya wo mo pese wo mo ye egu eye Reverend Obofo ni mo ase ana wo mo pese wo mo ma Kennedy Japan believe say ensem bia akoso no eye wo no Kennedy Japan na Reverend Obofo country no wo mo try na so ni na no enkonkosi aga Kennedy Japan asanso speaking on enosubium na mebo Kennedy Japan abaso say wa yade papa say wa ma enkrofo use wo mo adwen am manipulate no amma wo no Kennedy Japan amfa ne bufuo anko Reverend Obofo so because media me din country mo say ya na ya sorry a ye say nsofu yi wo mo ye fake na say wo si osofu bi ye fake a ade a wonye ye aden ene wo say wo kofa video na wo twitwa na wo tag Kennedy Japan e ka say Kennedy Japan osofu yi edi watemti be ye ne shege na tell say won so wo ye fake nti ye expose wo sofo no say wo ye fake no wo any wo sofo no there's no difference ebia na wo bi hwen for the first time asemo aye kan ya won ti ase wo nim the AC. Let me explain matters. Me sure say wo hu say video bi akọ viral. That was the very first video. It came I think last 4 days or the last 5 days. Na video no obetisa na Reverend Obofo kan say TV station owner bi wo ma onkola abetina so egu mi hu fi no me ni ubedi wo TV station owner no wo kra wo no moja me expose you say na neti ye ni aye hu say manase any demon breaker akwakotina na 2 kan se mafa Reverend Obofo ho de na nkofu bebre kan say we de asema Reverend Obofo kan even though one book Kennedy Japan di no Kennedy Japan na Reverend Obofo wo kasa atre no me mamoti ase say sa video no old video Reverend Obofo ni wo bi enya asem na wo yes video ni mani pakuna na sa ni pakuna Reverend Obofo ni nya asem no coincidentally na sa ni pakuna so oni a TV and a radio station. It's Reverend Obofo kan say na ebe ye o say Kennedy Japan and order no but me who video no that I think it was last year or today and I watched the video around last year. It's me who said that be fake. Obi na epe asem ama Reverend Obofo. Yes. Kennedy Japan ankasa wo hu video no ono kan wo onim say ono na Reverend Obofo atonem bomb. Justice Kwekwanan wo ye Kennedy Japan host ono so ba bonte be ka say ono kra hu video ni yem hye no na nim na me de ba asem so Kennedy Japan akansem bi mebo audio na tremo Justice Kwekwana ni yem hye no because ono so efi say na Kennedy Japan na Reverend Obofo ene na kasa na mebo amankrado abaso amankrado wo Kennedy Japan and say was support Kennedy Japan ene Reverend Obofo oba bonte be kasa ma Reverend Obofo ene Reverend Usubempa. Inti nyansade a amankrado ne say amankrado kofa the full video and no send Emma Justice Kwekwanan trend say Justice Kwekwanan full video nini na Reverend Obofo woni nipa we ene kasa na full video no Reverend Obofo trend nipa kra no ne kasa but the son say nipa we wo ye editing na wo pese Kennedy Japan ebegu Reverend Obofo ni ma se no wo sheda no twa sa part ni fio. Inti amankrado cinema Justice Kwekwanan Justice Kwekwanan so cinema Kennedy Japan na Kennedy Japan ti ase say we dey enyame inti me attack Reverend Obofo inti nini nemu no second video esanso ba bonten sheda akotwitwa Reverend Obofo ntokwa woni obi nim enya ye last year na ye twitwa obi nim din Reverend Obofo ebobo ye efri mu Emma ni Luki say Reverend Obofo was insulting Kennedy Japan when also Andrechi and as a video ne ba bonte me de be see ha say ebo audio ne tremo and also Kennedy Japan ba bonte ebe ka se masa Ghana for me I am smart saa de na mo pese mo ye na mo pese mo pe asem ana mo pese mo ye we no munjai na emboa and then me sorry ya another video biom me bebo audio no tremo and also sa nipa kura wo ye first one Uncle Siaga wo ye second one Uncle Siaga wo no na wo tena say san so ye third one ni and also sa asemo a Reverend Obofo account wo de da na yakofa twitwa na ye tagi Kennedy Japan. Now me person me reading some few comments on that particular video. Now Kennedy Japan has responded to that. I'm a Ghana for one and say mo person modernity and the Reverend Obofo ti mo kekanity boom no munja sa de nenye. So I am very happy Kennedy Japan has seen this. Now the third one and that me bo audio no ebia na one share sa podcast am here no. Go into my videos you will see. It is a third fake audio. I shared that Reverend Obofo oni obi nya asem last 2 years. I shared that akofaba. I person here say Reverend Obofo refer to Kennedy Japan. Meanwhile, it wasn't Kennedy Japan Reverend Obofo was referring to. In this video, no go comment say will be a tag was say, hey Kennedy Japan, Obofo is insulting you. Asemwa will be a kan no. Obi so say what's going on in Ghana? Obi so say asemo the beef there I want to see pan asemo will be no. Obi say I don't know why Ken wants to let this man slide. That is will be in tia say the first 2 times one more year no Kennedy Japan amba be fi Obofo. Until third one na video na ba na enobi can say Kennedy Japan and then nipa we won't person obi attack no. Just people wanted Kennedy Japan to attack Reverend Obofo and he shared that cocky can sem ebomu. Kennedy Japan aba bonti abekasa afa sansem no ho. Na yengo tie nsem a wokan.
Na mrana nkasa ne di Ghana fontie ni wanya abekasa o. Yesi waye me de sisi me de ama police. Oma free witnesses a womo ni womo etutu woma no. Enti me wie a me rest kakra. Na ne mrantie no eba na masaba
the full soldiers no
because me will be brave but as they say fake pastors no adoso regulations are eba no we have a lot to do but media my imagine say unka me aminka but ye nyina no omo efremi and na obi nim kwa na obi nya this week. From last week back, my try say I'm okay coming no about 4 tribum.
Oh,
me ni obi a ho asem. Obo for the ho body a me di no ho beba me ne no behia. Obo for won ka me mkoka no. Oye odwuma hweso ye ni yie. Na ne ame ye nyina no a me pese etiefo tie me eni se. Me pese Ghana for eni da ho.
No, and you see, I am very glad, say, Kennedy Japan will take this stance. Now, Kennedy Japan abaso no, yembo Reverend Obofo so, Nkrophobia, Womoabuano, abaso. And that's the difference, and I've said it countless times, I'll say it again. That's the difference between Reverend Obofo and Obinim. Because, Reverend Obofo de NC ya na Reverend Obofo wonya enkrofo ekokatre ye Kennedy Japan say say ni say enu nti Kennedy Japan has even believed say Reverend Obofo won't to me nya sa but Obinim we didn't see that Obinim dia ehya ase no enu nso sa it wasn't a real video enu nso fake but just because Obinim didn't find people woman kwa country Kennedy Japan say Ken full video nini Obinim office na asem yeden ya wo baba ntimbe di Kennedy Japan atem no ntia nende Obinim dia na asesa no utie mi a please asem sia hwe wo nan fofo nim na asem we makasa em say Obinim ne Kennedy Reverend Obofo scenario no makasa obi bekasa wo de bia wo repeat sa asem no but a futu a me pese me dem ma wo ho ntia na ma hye de repeat na futu nini hwe onam fofo o circle Sani ebe ka no brofo circle na mfo a eben o. Asem si a hwe adamfo kro na wotufo se o asem woyi yenkwa ase ne nipa ko wenkwa kasa ne ensolve. Na hwe sa adamfo na wo tell say he brabonte na so bedi na tem brabonte na be yese. Asem si a hwe sa won nanfofo no ebe ya omo a wo mutufo se dabi yenko no simple way yenko kasa ne enye we no sa nkrofo no fa omo tale wo ho fa wo mo eben wo na wo nkrofo bi sa wo ho emba asem muda na unim na wo mo a wo mo yo maje so wo mo de tutura asem so wasem ye de kran na o se wasem ye de na nipa ko na be kan yemba abonten be attack nipa ko no yenso yenko ye ni bia se nipa no hwe hu ye wo ne ho wan hwe ye a wo de wo ebe kwa kohye asem bi mu ma wan hwe ye a wo de wo be kwa kohye asem bi mu ti hwe hu ye e wo nkrofo bi sa ho. And it is the same scenario here we are seeing. Because Reverend Obofo surrounded himself with people who are calm. Nkrofo mayo majo say asem sia ye de ya no ye de ye nim se ne ye kasa ninti. Unim kasa nya atendidi o. Ende na Reverend Obofo Kennedy Japan mo kasa mo ate say okay. Say won expose Reverend Obofo until say ebia Reverend Obofo ankasa beba abonte aba be attack no. And we all know say Reverend Obofo won ba abonte embe attack Kennedy Japan. Because encrophobia aye background connections. They make an ye. So please learn a great deal from this. Sawa down for now or no. Yenko sawa down for no. Ebeya ma chinofi unchen. Chinofi unchen. Until my comment box no more. That's it.